I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. In my hand, I hold some serious power. If you live in a community either outside or inside the GTA, chances are you've been to the local library. Now, these resources are becoming increasingly intricate and offer a ton of community support. It's not just books anymore, people. There's multimedia, there's online digital media that you can get. As a matter of fact, in the Vaughan Public Library system, you can actually go to a resource library and take out tools for a renovation, or you can use their recording studio to make a recording, a professional one at that. In addition to that, they even have 3D printers. Vaughan VPL even has their own app, which is great to use. If you need some reading material or something else like a video or instruction booklet, you can order it and send it to the library of your choice, which is the same, for the Toronto Public Library. Now, I live in Vaughan, but how did I get the Toronto Public Library card? It's great. A client told me if you work in Toronto, you can apply for one and get it. This is a limited edition one, by the way. All you have to show is a pay stub, proof of employment that you do work in Toronto, and you get access to just a ton of resources. So if you haven't, please go to your library and talk to the librarian. You might find something that you need, and the system's fantastic because it's designed for you. And if you own a home, you've already paid the taxes that you've earned the right to borrow some of those materials. Plus, if you're like me with little kids, video games, movies, stuff like that, they're all at your doorstep, So check out your local library, whether it's in Vaughan or outside of that area or in Toronto. There's some great people working there. They're very helpful and the resources are amazing. I'm Eric Mattei, matteirealty.ca. Have a great day.